Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I would be preparing bamboo shoot. For this, soak the bamboo shoot in water for a day. Keep refreshing the water so that grated bamboo shoot does not turn bitter. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 250 grams of bamboo shoot, 1 onion, monkey jackfruit petals 4 to 5, or you can use tomato, salt as per taste, 100 grams of sprouted green gram, grated coconut 1 cup, Bafat powder 3 to 4 teaspoons, and for seasoning, ghee, mustard, garlic and curry leaves. In a vessel, boil grated 250 grams of bamboo shoots, 1 sliced onion, 4 to 5 petals of monkey jackfruit. Tomato can be used in absence of monkey jack, and salt as per taste, and half cup of water. Cook bamboo shoot for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add 100 grams of sprouted green gram and saute it. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of Bafat powder. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. Now add seasoning. Wow, this was quite good. Smells delicious. Please try this simple recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. See you next video. Bye.